This 2020 Forest River Sierra 384 QBOK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 41 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 10, water heater, microwave, awning, DVD player, spare tire kit, TV, slide-out, TV antenna, refrigerator, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Forest River Sierra 384 QBOK is 13,132 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.